Imagine a life where chaos doesn't dictate your peace. A life where no matter the storm outside, you remain anchored in calm. This isn't a fantasy, it's the promise of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to master our minds and find happiness in the simplest of moments. Today, we'll explore how this timeless wisdom can transform not just your mornings, but your entire life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the noise of the world, if you've ever struggled to find a moment's peace, or if you're simply curious about how ancient ideas can help you thrive in the modern age, this is for you. Let's begin. Marcus Aurelius, one of history's greatest Stoic thinkers, once wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." These words aren't just poetic, they're a call to action. In a world that constantly tries to tell us how to feel, think, and act, Stoicism offers a revolutionary alternative: the power to find inner peace, no matter the circumstances. It's about taking control, not of the world, but of something far more important and entirely within our reach, our own minds. Modern life is a whirlwind. Emails, notifications, deadlines, they all demand our attention, pulling us in 1,000 directions at once. But what if you could step out of the chaos? What if you could start each day not with dread, but with purpose and joy? This is where Stoicism comes in. It's not just a philosophy for ancient Romans, it's a toolkit for modern living. It teaches us resilience, gratitude, and the art of living a fulfilled life. And it all starts with how we choose to begin our day. Your morning routine is more than just a series of tasks. It's the foundation of your day. It's your first opportunity to set the tone for everything that follows. But how do you create a morning routine that doesn't just get you out of bed, but sets you up for a day filled with intention and joy? The answer lies in a concept that comes from Japan, but aligns beautifully with Stoic principles: Ikigai. Ikigai is a beautifully simple idea. It's your reason for being. It's the sweet spot where your passions, skills, societal needs, and what you can be paid for all intersect. Imagine waking up each morning fueled by a clear purpose, something that excites you so much that hitting snooze isn't even an option. Marcus Aurelius believed that we're all here to play our part, to contribute something meaningful. He urged us to approach each day as an opportunity to fulfill our role with integrity and passion. When you align your daily actions with your deeper purpose, even the mundane tasks gain significance. But how do you uncover your Ikigai? It starts with introspection. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What am I good at? What does the world need from me? What can I get paid for? The answers might not come immediately, and that's okay. This is a journey, not a destination. It's about exploring different facets of your life and interests and seeing where they converge. When you align your daily actions with your deeper purpose, you'll find that your relationships flourish, your creativity soars, and your happiness becomes a constant companion, not a fleeting visitor. The quality of your morning begins the night before. It's tempting to binge-watch your favorite series or scroll through social media until your eyes blur. But let's pause and consider how that sets you up for the next day. Your brain needs time to unwind, to process the day's events, and to recharge for what's ahead. This is where a solid pre-sleep routine comes into play. Imagine treating your evening routine with the same respect and intention as you would any other important aspect of your life. This isn't about rigid self-discipline. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and aligns with your goals for the next day. One powerful evening practice is journaling. Take a few moments to reflect on your day. What went well, what didn't, and what you're grateful for. This isn't just a feel-good exercise. It's a way to process your experiences and set your intentions for the next day. Marcus Aurelius himself kept a journal, which we now know as Meditations. In it, he reflected on his thoughts, struggles, and aspirations. By writing down your thoughts, you're not just clearing your mind, you're setting the stage for a more intentional tomorrow. Now, let's talk about the morning itself. The first moments of your day are precious. They set the tone for everything that follows. Imagine waking up to a room free from the digital clamor of emails, social media notifications, or the buzzing news cycle. It's just you, your thoughts, and the serene quiet of the dawn. This isn't just refreshing, it's empowering. Marcus Aurelius was a strong advocate for living with intention and focus. He knew something that's even more relevant today. The quality of your attention determines the quality of your life. One of the most powerful ways to start your day is with meditation. This isn't about achieving some mystical state of enlightenment. It's about grounding yourself in the present moment. Take just 5 minutes to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let go of any thoughts that arise. This simple practice can help you cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that will carry you through the day. As Epictetus, another great Stoic philosopher, once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." In the same way, meditation allows us to listen to ourselves, to tune into our inner wisdom, and to start the day with a clear mind. Another key element of a Stoic morning routine is physical activity. The Stoics believed in the importance of a healthy body as well as a healthy mind. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a full workout, moving your body in the morning can energize you and set a positive tone for the day. Marcus Aurelius, despite his many responsibilities as emperor, made time for physical exercise. He understood that a strong body supports a strong mind, and that taking care of oneself is a form of self-respect. Finally, let's talk about nourishment. A Stoic morning isn't complete without a mindful breakfast. This isn't about indulging in a lavish meal. It's about fueling your body with intention. Take the time to prepare something simple and nutritious and savor each bite. This is a moment to practice gratitude, to appreciate the food that sustains you, and to set a positive tone for the day ahead. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a way of life. It's about finding calm in the storm, joy in the simple, and strength in the face of adversity. By starting your day with intention, gratitude, and focus, you're not just setting yourself up for a good morning, you're setting yourself up for a good life. So, as you go about your day, remember the words of Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. If this journey into Stoic wisdom resonated with you, our community of seekers and thinkers, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay connected. Drop a in the comments if you're ready to embrace the Stoic way of life or share your own insights. Every like, share, and comment helps spread the light of wisdom. Until next time, stay mindful, stay resilient, and remember, true power comes from within,